Yo there gang, today we're going to be talking about knee pain and tight calves and how to deal with it using massage work. So, usually when we get tight ankles, it's because the calves themselves and any of the muscle tissues that are just around this whole area in the bottom leg are getting way too tight. And usually this can cause knee pain as well, but even knee pain is a separate issue. If you find that your knees are a little bit tight, or you might be squatting down and feel like your knees have got to move around a good little bit, you might be getting some crunchiness in that knee when you're coming down, and we can sort that out. Usually the thing that causes this problem is just here at the back of the knee. The hamstrings and the calves both insert into the same place. So if the hamstrings get real tight and the calves get real tight, they start pulling the kneecap out of place. And it allows it, well, it stops it from being able to track its normal movement path anymore. Good thing is, it's fairly easy to fix. It can just take a little while because the hamstrings and the calves, they're quite thick muscles, so you can get a lot of tacky tissue inside there. But what you want to do is get yourself a foam roller, and start working from the back of the knee up towards the bottom of your butt to attack those hamstrings. All you're going to do is go yourself up and down, doing some general massage work. If going up and down is one rep, you want to do between about 10 and 20 reps. And then because the hamstring is quite wide, we're going to want to turn our feet towards the outside as well, and repeat the same process. And then we're going to want to turn our foot towards the inside as well, and repeat the same process there. You can do 2 feet at a time. But if that's not really enough pressure, which you'll know because it won't sting at all, then put one foot on top of the other, and that allows you to get a lot deeper into that hamstring. After you've done them, you want to get doing the exact same thing for your calves. Up and down for about 10 repetitions, turn the calves towards the outside for about 10 repetitions, turn the calves towards the inside for about 10 repetitions. The only thing that I'll say is you'll probably want to split the calves into the top part of the leg, and then from the bottom part of the calf down towards the Achilles heel. Get all that worked out. But with the calves, they'll be way more susceptible towards getting big hefty trigger points, usually at the middle towards the outside of the calf. So with that, as you know, you just put your weight on it, rest it for 10 to 15 seconds until that pain subsides, but also find and tacky parts of your calves, and flossing those feet back and forward is extremely effective. Honestly, if you are getting knee pain or anything like that, I would strongly recommend that you spend like 5 to 10 minutes per calf working on them. But if you're just doing it before workouts, like 2 or 3 minutes, that's going to be no problem at all. Overall, between the hamstring and the calf, honestly, if you were spending like 15 to 20 minutes on each leg, or like 30 minutes in total, that's going to be a really good amount of time to be able to get in towards those things. But even 5 minutes is better than nothing. I've had loads of times where I've had some pain going on and 5 minutes has solved it all. If you want to get even more hardcore, you can do barbell rolling for your calves, but this is only for absolute monsters. Where you get yourself a barbell, lay your feet down flat, put the barbell on there, and you can roll that thing back and forth up and down your calves. The heavier the barbell, the more horrendous that's going to be. And then you have the same thing for your hamstrings as well. You can find yourself a bar, put it at about knee height in a rack, one foot goes over the other, rest your weight on it, and now I can roll that barbell underneath my leg, and that's going to help to massage that area. Or I can put all the weight on that area and I can floss that hamstring by moving my foot back and forth. That one is extremely effective. I hope these help you out. Give them a good little go. Spend plenty of time with them, get to know them, embrace the pain. Much loves. Peace out.